Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back. Super excited to be talking more about AI today. If you've seen my other videos, you already know that my name is Ella, and I am a Salesforce consultant at SOLVD.cloud, where we help companies automate their businesses through the use of AI and Salesforce. So, if you're a video creator, a YouTuber, or anyone looking to produce more impactful content, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into a question on everyone's mind. How should you really be using AI for content creation? It's not about replacing your unique spark. It's about making your workflow faster, smarter, and more creative. In fact, for many creators, AI tools can help reduce overall video production time from over 4 hours to about 2.5 hours. I'm going to break down exactly how into 5 actionable steps with real-world examples. Let's get into it. Let's be real. We all know that feeling, staring at a blank screen, desperately searching for the next viral video idea. That's where AI becomes your ultimate brainstorming partner. Instead of waiting for inspiration to strike, you can prompt AI to generate a multitude of video concepts, helping you overcome that initial creative block. Let's say you run a tech review channel. You could prompt an AI like ChatGPT with generate 10 unique YouTube video ideas for a tech review channel, focusing on emerging AI gadgets for home use with clear hook for each. As you can see, it gives us 10 different ways that we can do this. They aren't just generic ideas, they're tailored to your niche and audience, giving you a fantastic starting point to your next hit video. Kind of cool, it also gives a hook that you can give in the beginning. And I've run this prompt a few different times, and it's been cool to see that each time it does give me different prompts, which is actually very helpful. Another tool I like to use is NoteGPT. Let's say I'm kind of looking at other people's YouTube channels and I'm wanting to see how I can make mine better. So I watch a video and I'm doing a video on Revenue Cloud. So I can take a video from Revenue Cloud. This is one from our Solve.cloud YouTube channel from another consultant named Connor. And he did this one on Revenue Cloud. I just put the link into NoteGPT and it generated this summary and transcript of what he says in his video. So as you can see on the right, it kind of just shows the summary of it, the highlights from it. This is a free tool and it's honestly been super useful. Instead of having to watch like 10-minute videos, it does this in literally like 10 seconds. It also gives some key insights that there is, as well as there is also an AI chat you can go to and you can ask this AI chatbot things about the video. So I just used a prompt that was already there just to give like 5 points about the video, but you could literally go down to the bottom and put in whatever you want to ask questions about it or making your own content. So overall, both of these tools are awesome when you're researching or if you're just trying to get ideas for creating new prompts. Once you have your core video idea, the next crucial step is scripting and structuring it effectively. A solid script ensures your video flows well, keeps viewers engaged, and gets your message across. Creating a detailed video script can be time-consuming, but AI can dramatically speed up this process. Let's go back to our tech review channel. You can prompt the AI, create a detailed script outline for a 7-minute YouTube video titled, I lived with an AI home assistant for a week, my honest review, including an engaging intro, specific review points, potential visual cues, and a conclusion and a call to action. This gives a clear roadmap for your video, ensuring you cover all essential points, plan your shots, and maintain a logical flow, saving you hours of manual organization. For more structured video scripting, many creators are even using custom ChatGPT models. These can be trained on your past content or specific guidelines to help avoid typical AI hallucinations and repetition, leading to more on-brand and coherent scripts. This is where AI truly helps you get past the blank script page and into content creation mode. While you should always infuse your unique voice, AI can generate initial voiceover drafts, dialogue ideas, or even improve existing narration for impact. AI is also excellent for polishing your existing narration or dialogue, even in post-production. Imagine you have a voiceover segment that feels a bit too dry or wordy. You can prompt an AI, rewrite this voiceover segment to be more energetic and concise for a fast-paced YouTube video. Or, for incredible efficiency in post-production, consider tools like Veed's AI editing features. They can automatically remove filler words like and ah, correct eye contact to make it seem like you're looking directly at the camera, and even reduce background noise efficiently. This is like having a personalized script doctor and an audio engineer all in one, instantly adapting your words and footage for maximum viewer impact. You've poured hours into creating an amazing video. Repurposing it across various platforms is key to maximizing its reach and getting the most out of your efforts. AI makes this incredibly efficient. Let's say I want to get more out of the other content video I made on prompt engineering and AI. I grab the transcript from my video and I put it into AI. And then at the bottom, I'm going to type in, identify 3 to 5 high impact standalone moments from this video based on the transcript, and suggest short form video clips, ideas with engaging hooks and relevant captions for TikTok shorts. So as I put that in, AI gives me a bunch of different things that I could take from this video to make shorter videos out of it. So instead of just creating tons and tons and tons of new content, I can instead make one video that I put a lot of effort into and then make a bunch of shorter info. So that info can still get to a bunch of people, but also be in a shorter format. You've created amazing video content, but it won't be effective if people can't find it. AI is a powerful ally in optimizing your videos for YouTube and beyond, ensuring they resonate with your target audience. Before you even finalize your video title, you can use AI tools to find relevant keywords. You can do a prompt like, let's say you're a photographer. What are the top 5 long tail keywords related to beginner photography tips that have high search volume on YouTube and are good for video titles? And then it gives back some suggestions. Then as you're crafting your video title and description, you can use AI to ensure these keywords are naturally integrated. And you can ask, suggest 3 YouTube video titles that incorporate beginner photography tips and create curiosity. And it gives us those 3 tips right there. So there you have it. 5 powerful ways to integrate AI into your video content creation workflow. Remember, AI is a co-pilot, not the pilot. It's a tool to supercharge your efficiency, break through creative blocks, and expand your content's reach. Your unique perspective, creativity, and connection with your audience are irreplaceable. All right, that is all that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more content just like this video, make sure to head over to Solve.cloud's YouTube channel, where there's other amazing consultants just like me who make content weekly on AI, Salesforce, you name it. So make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of those updates. Or if you like this video, make sure to comment and leave a like. We love hearing from you guys. We love interacting with people who watch our videos. Or if you're wondering what even is Solve.cloud, head over to Solve.cloud's website, where there is tons of information about what we do. And if you would like to learn how you can automate your business with AI or Salesforce, that is the place to go. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.